students, we will start a new unit, that is mathematical logic. Okay. Mathematical logic is depending upon the first basic point, it is statement. Okay, but here we see here statement. What is a statement? We know what is sentence. Sentence, there are four types of sentences. There are four types of sentences. Okay, now assertive, imperative, exclamatory, and interrogative. Okay, but here statement is this sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. Okay, याचा अर्थ हे आहे की स्टेटमेंट तेच आहे. असा सेंटेन्स आहे की ज्याची आपण ट्रू आणि फॉल्स व्हॅल्यू काढू शकतो, त्याला आपण स्टेटमेंट म्हणतो. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, दिल्ली इज अ कॅपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. इट इज ट्रू और फॉल्स? ट्रू. Okay, then it is statement, because of we can find the truth value of this statement. It is true or false? Yes, true. Then it is a statement. India is in America. It is true? Not. It is false. Then it is a statement or not? Yes, it is a statement. Now third example, Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. It is true or false? True. Okay, then it is a statement. Yes, it is a statement, because we can say that it is true or false. Okay, but if we get here example, please close the door. Please close the door. Hence it is true or false? We cannot say that it is true or false. Hence we cannot say it is true or false. Then it is not statement. It is not statement. Hence the sentence which is either true, which is either true or false, then it is statement. परंतु ते दोन्ही व्हॅल्यू आली नाही पाहिजे. असं स्टेटमेंट पण पाहिजे नाही ज्याची ट्रू पण व्हॅल्यू येते आणि फॉल्स पण व्हॅल्यू येते, ते पण स्टेटमेंट नाही. ओके, नाव हेअर व्हॉट इज ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू. आपण ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू पाहू इकडे. सर्वात पहिले ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे काय. ओके, नाव ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू सिंपल आहे. इट इज सिंपल व्हेरी. if we can say that this statement is true or false, then this value is called truth value. आपण हे क्लिप पाहिला, दिल्ली इज अ कॅपिटल ऑफ इंडिया, यामध्ये हे ट्रू सेंटेन्स आहे का? ट्रू सेंटेन्स आहे. म्हणजे हे काय स्टेटमेंट ट्रू आहे. हे स्टेटमेंट कसं आहे? ट्रू आहे. मग याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू कशी येणार? टी. जर ट्रू आहे तर टी. आणि इंडिया इज इन अमेरिका हे जर आपण पाहिला, तर यामध्ये या ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू काय आली? याचं हे सेंटेन्स कसं आहे बा? हे स्टेटमेंट कसं आहे? हे स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स आहे. हेन्स याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू आपण एफ लिहिणार. ओके, आणि एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवा, स्टेटमेंटला आपण स्मॉल लेटर्सनं डिनोट करू. स्मॉल पी, स्मॉल क्यू, स्मॉल आर, स्मॉल टी, स्मॉल एस अँड सो ऑन, लाईक दिस. ओके, इट इज क्लिअर. नाव we can, next topic we can see simple and compound statement. It is very easy concept. It is very easy concept, simple statement and compound statement. We know simple means what? Simple means साधारण वाक्य जी असते त्या, म्हणजे कसं आहे, दिल्ली इज अ कॅपिटल ऑफ इंडिया साधारण आहे. यामध्ये दोन वाक्य नाही. इट इज नॉट, इट हॅव नॉट टू वर्ब्स. ओके, it is simple that simple statement is have a one variable. Okay, for example, Delhi is a capital of India. It is simple statement. India India is in America. It is simple statement. Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. It is simple statement. But in compound statement, there are two or more statement joined together. Then this statement is called compound statement. For example, this compound statement have in mathematical laws four connectives. First is in our words, in our sentence we can use and, second or, third if then, and last four if and only if. Okay, these are four connectives that connect two simple statement and we get a compound statement. For example, if we declare here P is the sentence, Delhi is a capital of India, and Q is Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. Okay, we declare here P is Delhi is a capital of India, and the Q statement is Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. Okay, now it is simple statement. Okay, P and Q we can also see here. We can also see here P Q R S T. It is statement and denoted by its small letter, and which is simple statement also. We can see here compound is what is compound statement. Okay, now if we take the word and between these two statements, then we get compound statement. For example, Delhi is a capital of India. Mumbai, we can get here gap. Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. These are two simple statement, but here we can write we write here and, then it is not simple statement. He becomes a compound statement. Okay, because of two statements are joined together with the help of these connectives, then this required statement is compound statement. Okay, now here it we can also take we can replace here and as or. Okay, then the compound statement is Delhi is a capital of India or Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. If we cut here, we take here, we write if and then, if and then. ओके, जर मी इकडे हे हे खोडलं आणि आधी इफ टाकला आणि मधात देन, देन हे काय मिळतं, हे कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट झालं. कसं, इफ दिल्ली इज अ कॅपिटल ऑफ इंडिया देन मुंबई इज अ कॅपिटल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. ओके, आणि जर मी असं हे केलं, हे पण खोडलं आणि जर फोर अप्लाय केलं, इफ अँड ओनली इफ मधातच, इफ अँड ओनली इफ, then it is also compound statement. What is compound? Delhi is a capital of India if and only if Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. Okay, it is example of compound statement. Okay, we know that uh, there are four types of connectives in mathematical logic: and, or, if then, if and only if. Now the next topic is logical connectives. Okay, now first point of logical connectives is conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction म्हणजे काय? Conjunction म्हणजे if two statements are combined using the connective and, म्हणजे असे दोन सिंपल स्टेटमेंट जे या वर्ड सोबत कनेक्टेड आहे. ओके, असे कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंटला कंजंक्शन म्हणतो आपण. ओके, it is called conjunction. Okay, and we write here if P is simple statement, Q is simple statement, and its conjunction is P and Q. It is right in symbolic form like this: P and Q. Read as P and Q. P and Q. Okay, and its truth table is like this: TT, FF, TF, TF. Okay, first we here give its first alternates for 1T, 1F, 1T, 1F. Okay, now the conjunction of these two statement is P and Q. P and Q, right here is P and Q. Read it: P and Q. Okay, the and TTT in conjunction truth table is TTT, and otherwise is false. Otherwise false. Now same as disjunction. Disjunction means what? The two statements are combined by using logical connectives, or okay, it means in our sentence we use or, and this statement is called disjunction. Okay, its truth table is like this: P, Q, P, right here P or Q. Its symbolic form is what? P or Q. Okay, P or Q. P is स्टेटमेंट, क्यू इज स्टेटमेंट. समजा हेच आहे आपल्याकडे जे आपण उदाहरण घेतलं होतं आधी. पी, दिल्ली इज अ कॅपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. क्यू इज मुंबई इज अ कॅपिटल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. आणि यामध्ये जर आपण इकडे ऑरचं यूज केला, म्हणजे दिल्ली इज अ कॅपिटल ऑफ इंडिया और मुंबई इज अ कॅपिटल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, तर आपण या सेंटेन्सला, या स्टेटमेंटला सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्ममध्ये कसं लिहिणार? पी और क्यू. जर इकडे और उपयोग केला मधात तेव्हा. ओके, म्हणजे पी और क्यू असा येणार. ठीक आहे, याचे सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्म. जर अँड यूज केला तर हे असा पी अँड क्यू. ओके, आणि इकडे एफ देन केला तर, म्हणजे इफ दिल्ली इज अ कॅपिटल ऑफ इंडिया देन मुंबई इज अ कॅपिटल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, तर त्याचा सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्म काय येणार? पी इम्प्लाय क्यू. ओके, तसंच इकडे आहे, तेच आहे, म्हणजे पी और क्यू. ओके, तर असे कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंटचं नाव काय आहे मॅथमॅटिकल लॉजिकमध्ये? डिसजंक्शन. काय आहे? डिसजंक्शन नाव आहे. जर फर्स्ट आपण घेतला टी टी एफ एफ. ओके, नाव सेकंड इट्स अल्टरनेट टी एफ टी एफ. ओके, देन इट्स डिसजंक्शन. The truth value of disjunction is what? F F F, otherwise T. Otherwise T. It's very simple. Okay, now similar as this as above. Okay, conditional. Conditional means it's another word is implication. Implication. Okay, what is implication? Implication means it is if two statements are combined using the connective if, using the word if then. ओके, म्हणजे जर दोन वाक्ये कनेक्टेड आहे विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स, दिस कनेक्टिव्ह, दे असे कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंटला आपण काय म्हणतो? कंडिशनल किंवा इम्प्लिकेशन. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, two simple statement means P, Q. Okay, these two statement are connected with the help of if then. म्हणजे if then ला सिम्बॉल कोणता आहे? हा. The symbolic form of if then is like arrow. Okay, read it: P imply Q. And in our words, if आपण हेकडे पाहिलंच, P imply Q म्हणजे if Delhi is a capital of India, उदाहरण पाहिलंच आपण, if Delhi is a capital of India then Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra, म्हणजे symbolic form असा. if P then Q, if P then Q. ओके, याचं ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू काय होणार, ट्रूथ टेबल काय होणार, जर पहिला P घेतला आपण, P म्हणजे 2T 2F, Q म्हणजे याचा अल्टरनेट 1T 1F 1T 1F. ओके, P imply Q. Okay, here if first statement is true and second statement is false, then false, otherwise true, otherwise true. Okay, biconditional is similar definition is about trees. It is also called biconditional, is also called double implication, double implication, याला डबल इम्प्लिकेशन पण म्हणू शकतो आपण. If two statements are joined using the connective if and only if, okay, it is called, this compound statement is called biconditional. Now its truth table, first P then Q. Okay, now P statement is TT FF, TF, Q statement is TF, TF is P. The truth value declaration of biconditional is if the same value, if P is T, Q is T, P is F, Q is F, both are same value, then the truth value of biconditional is T, different, false. We see here a remembering trick of these four connectives like is anti condition. First we write here anti condition and otherwise. Okay, number first, conjunction. What is the anti condition of conjunction? Okay, if both are T, both statement are true, then true, otherwise false. Circle means O, and O for otherwise, and O for otherwise. Okay, now second, biconditional. Biconditional, the anti condition of biconditional is FFF, otherwise true, otherwise true. Okay, now third condition, third condition what, conditional. Okay, conditional or implication, we can also call here implication. The anti condition of conditional or implication is first is true and second is false, then false, otherwise true, otherwise true. Okay, now the anti condition of biconditional, biconditional or double implication, double implication, it biconditional is also called double implication. Okay, the anti condition in this biconditional logical connectives, there are two anti condition. What is anti same? If both statement are same, if both statement are same, then the truth value is T, different, false, otherwise false. Okay, these are the remembering trick of our four logical connectives. Okay, for truth table. Now next basic concept is not or negation. Negation, not meant it is a statement. Okay, and its name in mathematical logic is negation. Okay, for example, if we write here P statement, Delhi is a capital of India, then its negation, negation is symbolically denoted by like is this symbol. This symbol means it is called in our word not. Okay, and name of this word, this sentence, a sentence in which use not word, then this sentence is called in mathematical logic negation. Okay, if we take here for example P, Delhi is the capital of India, then the negation of P is right here symbolically like this. It is negation P. Okay, and the statement will be Delhi is not a capital of India. याला नकारात्मक वाक्य म्हणू आपण. ओके, ठीक आहे. आता हे नॉट, इट्स अ ट्रूथ टेबल. The truth table of not is it is very simple because of it is not compound statement, it is simple statement. Negation is simple statement. Now the truth table of negation, it is P. We cannot give here another statement because of it is simple statement, it is negation P. If T and F, the negation of T is F and the negation of F is T, it is opposite. Okay, now we will see in the next video the truth value, the examples of truth table. Okay, exercise 1.1.